Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT King Kong 7 and let me share with you how to change a video resolution or video quality in this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Let's find it and tap on it. And currently we are in the standard photo mode. So first of all, we have to switch to the video one. Let's tap on the video, and if it is highlighted and if you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. Then we can enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner. So let's tap. As you can see in this video section, we've got two different options which are connected with the quality, with the resolution. We've got the frames per second. So we can turn them on or off just by using the switcher, and the video quality, just tap on this option, and as you can see we've got four different from which we can choose. Currently we've got the HD option applied, but we can set also FHD, VGA or CIF. It's of course up to you. Simply tap on the option you'd like to use, and I will pick the first one. And as you can see right here, we've got the changes visible. So we've got the current ratio as current video quality, which simply means that from now on your device will use the chosen quality whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.